Woo! Another shark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharks right here that I can see so far. Good morning, everybody. Today we're going to be testing out some stuff. So this is my #1 top water, in my opinion. I barely ever stray away from that. But today we're going to try out salt strong stuff. So we're going to try out 2 of these today. There's some activity there. We're going to try this topwater moonwalker, which I'm going to start off with right now, and then we're going to try this skinny lipper. And guys, the best thing I like about that, it's got the single hooks already in them. All right, so we got the moonwalker. That's what we're going to start off with today. That's this little guy right here. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty. Salt strong moonwalker topwater. We got an incoming tide pretty much all day, guys. Oh, there's some dolphins out there. God, these bugs are out of control, guys. Out of control. They are everywhere. Very buggy over here. Very buggy. Oh, fish on. Fish on, guys. The hell? Needlefish? First fish is a needlefish on the moonwalker. That's interesting. Oh, popped right off. Good. Alright, here we go. Let's see what happens. Oh, there we go. There was a swing and a miss. Whoa, he's coming after it to get some more. Alright. That was a good trout in there. That was definitely a trout. I saw him come out. There's a lot of little ones, but one big one took a swing at that for sure. Good morning, everybody. Eloy here from Jupiter Kayak Fishing down here in Southwest Florida today. I'm fishing out of Pine Island, and started off with some top water. Saw a few trout, a couple chases, but I am gonna check first to see if there's some tarpon around early in the morning. There's enough water, I think they should be there. But that's it. So I just want to haul ass, go check if there's some tarpon first, and then I'm gonna pretty much fish this whole wall on the way back, higher tide. I think it'll be better with the incoming tide, but I am seeing some activity here right now. So we might make a few casts here first and see what's up. But the goal is the Grand Slam today. This is the first time I fished in this area post Hurricane Milton. So again, just checking out what happened to all the water, checking all the terrain, seeing what happened to the bottom topography, see what kind of changes, see what kind of new holes or old holes that are gone now. So that's it, just checking out what's happening today, just getting ready. All right, so let's see what happens. Oh, here it is. See, I was looking at blow-ups over there, which there's definitely something over there. I just missed one here. Spot lock right here and see if I can get one of these trouts real quick. Ooh. Come on. You can see those. Nope. There's some good ones in that mix. There we go. That's a good one, guys. Oh, man. That was a good one. Oh, there we go. There we go. We already had one that. Oh! Little snook. Little snook with the moonwalker, not the size we're looking for, but it's one of the species I'm looking for specifically today. Three times for it. Three times for it, he came. That's enough of that. Man, he came three times for it, or she did, for sure. She wanted it. She wasn't gonna let one of those little ones take it again. And she's in the, I don't think it's a slot one, maybe like 24, maybe slot. Right in the corner of the mouth. Great hook set there. The moonwalker proving itself. All right, look at that. Got her, guys. It's a nice snook. Let's get her out of this situation as fast as we can. Look at that. Oh, almost bad there. Look at that. I'm gonna guess like 24, 25 maybe. Okay, girl. Just gonna see real quick where you're at. Just curious. That's what I was looking for. Oh, 25.5, guys. So, oh, dolphin. Oh, shit. Go. 25.5-inch snook. Look who showed up. She's gone already. Look at him. He's in like 2.5, 3 feet of water. Oh yeah. All right, moonwalker, guys. I was on 25-pound leader. I had her on the back hook, I believe. That was nice. I didn't retie. I just decided to do a throw the. I got a spoon, little gold spoon there. Boom. There's some little tie my top water. I'm gonna put this guy on now. I still don't know what depth. That's what we're gonna find out. This might be perfect for this. Let's see. So it stays on the surface. Okay. And I can just, oh yeah. I like that. I like that already. So this creek ends here, guys, but then you can see that at high tide there's another creek that pushes back in there, and there's probably fish that live back there, that feed back there, that are sitting here waiting, like the one I missed here. So that was the reason I was back here, though. All right, we'll see how well this works, guys. This is the knot that I use. This is the Alberto knot. There we go. So the first thing I do is I grab this and I make a bend like that there, right? So I have this bend and then I'm pinching that really tight. I grab my braid line on this side and I pass it behind and through the loop. Okay, behind and through the loop. Alright, once you get it through there, you pull it through, go through the back, and then switch hands so you're pinching it, all that you just did with your right hand. And then you start your loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wind's making this a little difficult. Alright, so you have that. You did your 6 loops, then you grab your left hand and you pinch all that over here now, and you grab from the behind and you start trying to go through the loops that you made initially, like crisscrossing them. It's hard to see, but after a while I can sort of see them. But you just get another 6 coming the other way. Spread them out as well. 6 loops, and then once you're here, you pass it through the top and in. Okay, through the top and in. Okay, now you have everything. Now all you're gonna do is get that nice and juicy and wet, and then you pull all 4 lines. Okay, pull all 4 lines. Okay, and you start pushing this in, and then you grab the 2 lines that you're gonna use and really pull that tight. And there's your knot. That knot has not failed me, guys. Going back to the moonwalker. A big fan. I've got it stuck in the mangroves twice now, and I'll guarantee you that with my Yozuri, I would have had to dig that out. I mean, I can change those hooks out, but this one's already comes like that. I don't have to do any work, you know. If you're gonna buy this equipment that costs, you know, 10 bucks a lure, you should get it the way you want and not have to change hooks and spend even more money. It's my opinion. For what it's worth. There's some little snook there. Snook there. So that little guy. Get off of there. All right. Oh my God, you got back on there. There we go. Stop. 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 I'm not getting hooked by you. Nope. Stop. Little snook guys. Oh. Little guy. Alright. There's probably a few more there. Watch right around this little area. Probably a lot of little ones there. Or I spooked them. Good choke point, some solid water going through there. The wind's causing a nice little current right here, right now. Should be some fish here. Should be someone here. Oh no! Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Oh man. That was a good fish. Right where I thought he was gonna be. Oh, oh my God. There he goes again. He missed it that time. What? That looked like a trout. That looked like a big trout. Let's see. Let's see if he comes after it again. Let's see, guys. This thing flipped me all the way around. So let's reset. Alright guys, I'm set up again. Look at that. There's a big trout, I think. Spot lock was pointing me that way. I'm fishing this. I've had 2 misses on top water here now. I think one was a trout. Oh, there goes one of those pterodactyl birds. So that action was on the left side. I'm trying to see if there's anything on the right. Then I'll check the middle. Everything I saw. Let's see if that skinny water lure one works. Here. Hard to believe that those 2 fish were the only ones here. Right now I'm using my custom-made Rebel Fishing Alliance fishing rod. So usually when those things have lips, that jerk motion is what actually makes them sink. So so what I'll do is, so I'm bringing this one, because it looks like if you just bring it back, it paddle, but if you want it to sink a little more and give it a little more pop, you do that, and then keep bringing it, and pop, pop. There we go. There's someone. There we go. There we go, guys. Another snook. Targeted species. With salt strong. This is the skinny water one. So if I'm not using the spot lock, guys, I bring the engine up, so I don't have one less thing to worry about, because I do have this long rope here that I have to keep the fish away from, my anchor rope. Woo! There she goes. Man, she's got some fight in her. She's still fighting. Still fighting. Okay, she looks like she might be done. Oh, that was almost bad. Ah, she's still not giving up. This side. Looks like the front hook this time. Yeah, I got her, guys. Another snook. Ooh, she's fat. She's been eating very well. This is a fat one, guys. Go nice and easy. Nope, nice and easy, girl. All right, get my pliers. 25 and a half. Fatty though, this one's, look at this. She's been eating very well. I hear another one eating. Come on, you ready to go? She's gone. Gone. Nice nice little battle. Man, so both those lures sold. So let's see. Ooh, she did fray the line a little bit. I can see it. This is a 25-pound leader, guys. So as expected, fish that size. I got 40 on the top water. Everything else I have set up with 25 today. That 25 is the lightest. I would go for searching for slot snook, at least if you want to land them. Alright, let's see if I can get another one, guys. Got 2 misses here on top water. That skinny water lure. I'll have to look at what I was doing when I brought it back when he hit it. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. All right. Okay. All right. What you got for me? She hasn't made a run yet. It's weird. There it goes. Might be a red. I haven't seen it really come up. Might be a red. I think it is, guys. Yep, it is. Nice red on the skinny water, man. I'll be ordering some more of these. Thanks, Al, for hooking it up. My neighbor, he's like, hey, I got these lures from my fishing club, and test them out. It's all strong. Still got some fight in them. It's a slot red too. Oh. Trying to hide under the kayak now. There we go. Alright, guys. Woo-wee. Well, those work. That's a slot red. Oh, something happened to his tail there, guys. That off of him. Could eat this guy. I know he's an eater. I don't know if you consider this 20 or what with his tail. We're gonna let him go. If I get one on the way home, I might keep one. This guy's going home. So, skinny lipper. Right there, that's a red. There's definitely a red right there. I lost him now. Someone's lurking over here, guys. Those are sharks. Snook. What is that? There's something over there, guys. Let's see if we can get one of these. Whatever they are. I don't think those over there are sharks. Let's see. There's 3 sharks over here. Just hanging out. Another shark? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sharks right here that I can see so far. Look at them. Just hanging out. There's one right here. There you go. Shark. Shark. Well, 5 or 6 sharks right here. What is that? Debris. Oh, there's some reds right there. Oh, there's a school of reds right there. There's a school of reds right there. Shit. Think they're there anymore. Look at this. More sharks. Shark, 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 shark. Shark, shark, shark. Look at this. Sharks everywhere. What is happening? I mean, look at this. Made it in, guys. Nice trout. That's a keeper trout too. Just gonna take a picture of that.
Alright everybody, just driving back now. Successful day today. Everything I caught today was either on the Moonwalker or the Skinny Lipper from Salt Strong. It's the first time I've used those. I can't say enough about them. I ended up catching a 22-inch trout, which I'll put a picture of that up here somewhere. And I lost another redfish on the way back in after my batteries went out. So very good day. And the 22-inch trout was on the Skinny Lipper. Both the last 2 fish was on the Skinny Lipper. So I can't say enough about them. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more of those and having them in the arsenal. And but today was another new place after post-Hurricane Milton. Just checking out the water. The conditions, the water there are much better than in Matlacha Pass. The water was much clearer. I think, you know, I was seeing a lot of sharks today. I was able to see redfish. I wasn't able to sight cast anything and catch it, but I definitely tried. But good day overall. So if you guys like what you see, make sure you give a thumbs up, subscribe. Again, everybody, thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next video.